Finally, let's talk about some safety tips, some general safety tips. Wear your helmet. The cool kid wears their helmet. You should too. And you should wear it the right way. Keep those tires inflated. That ABC check. Don't forget that A. That A is pretty important. You can always squeeze your tires. They shouldn't really give much at all. Pump your tires up. Feel how they feel at the correct PSI. Kind of set that to memory, and then you'll notice like, oh, there's a lot of squish here if they're under pressure. Follow the speed limit on bike paths. This is a big one. A lot of bikes that we offer are class 3 e-bikes, which go 28 miles an hour with pedal assist. That is more that is more faster. That is above the speed limit on many bike paths. I know in Seattle, bike path speed limit is technically 15 miles an hour. So it is really not a cool thing to be going 28 miles an hour on those bike paths. Maybe find a separate road to maybe do that on, or just maybe turn it down off of the turbo. Be predictable, especially when you're out mingling in cars. Just make sure that the cars know what you're going to do. Make eye contact when you're with car drivers at intersections, so that you know that they know that you see them and that they see you. Eye contact is a huge thing, and it also humanizes you. And now they see you as a human, not just a biker. Very important. Signal, we got some signal options here, left, so people do like the left, right kind of thing. No one knows what this is. I just point. Just point. I'm going this way. I'm going that way. That's the best way. Or stop. Wear bright clothing, like I said. Wear those high vis jackets, or you can get like vests. If you don't want to go out and buy, new expensive high vis jacket, you can get like a cheap vest that has some high vis stuff on it. Use lights at night in a lot of places. Lights are the law for riding a bike at night. Not all of our bikes come with lights. If yours doesn't, no, we offer lights in the hub stores, but generally you can get pretty cheap lights on places such as Amazon. Definitely you want to be, but more than legality, you want to be seen, especially if you're riding around in the dark. Super important. And just in general, when you're route planning, when you're trying to figure out where to go, avoid mixing with cars. They're your biggest threat out there. So, do your best to, if you can take yourself out of those situations by just going on a different path with maybe fewer cars, you're going to be in a much safer situation in general.